In this movie, we are going to see how the different levels of the loads applied will change the automatic design result. In order to do that, we select one J node here with a secondary beam connected to a primary beam, and we set initially the member forces using the elastic limits applied to member 2, that is the slave, with the level of shear equal to dot 15, the elastic capacity of the cross section. So we are setting for the secondary beam a level of shear equal to dot 15 times the elastic shear limit. Now that we have set the member forces, we are going to ask the software to automatically design the connection using fin plates. So we choose this last PD node, which is a design PD node. We are using the settings already set previously. And now the software is working in order to automatically find a possible design for this situation. Many hundreds of different designs are generated and tested, and the final one will be the one having least cost and passing all the checks. Takes about 1 minute. So we have examined the 2000 design, and it took exactly 60 seconds in order to do the automatic design, and the automatic design has been done. And as you see, there is a single fin plate with a row, a column of 3 bolts, which are M16 bolts. This is the result of the automatic design when dot 15 shear limit is applied to the secondary member. Now we just reset everything to blank and set another level for the member forces. Instead of dot 15 we set dot 30, which is twice as much the force. The design criteria are the ones already set in a previous movie, so we have minimum thickness 10, maximum 30, step 5 for the welds, minimum 4, maximum 10, step 2, and for the bolt diameter 16 to 24. Now we are once more asking to apply the same design PD node, and we ask the software to automatically design the connection. It will take some more time because since the member force is higher, it will be necessary to test a higher level, a higher number of design in order to find the first one passing the checks. The first one because before doing the checks, all the designs, all the possible designs, which are, we have seen so many, like 2000, are ordered in increasing cost. So that means that the first design that passes all the checks is also the one with minimum cost. If the member forces are higher, in this case twice as much, it will be necessary to have a look at more designs in order to find the first one passing all the checks. The time is always in the range of 1 minute. We have seen that now it's 1 minute and 11 seconds. That is something more than previously. The seconds for design is .04, which is quite good. And as you see, the design is completely different because now we have two columns of bolts and the thickness of the plate is quite higher due to the increased force. We can see now that the force is pretty high because we have for the M2 T3 max, which is the maximum force, we have some like 136 kilonewton, okay, which is 13 tons, quite much. So that is a different design that has been found automatically by the software. This also proves that the automatic design is sensible to the member load level, which is one of the key points of automatic design. Thank you for your listening.